Good afternoon. My name is Dr. John Heading, Mayor of Morro Bay. Today is Thursday, November 19th. We're here obviously at beautiful Coleman Park and wanted to give you some updates on COVID-19. First, I wanted to thank you for your support of Measure E20. That was our one-cent sales tax initiative that recently passed very well in Morro Bay. Thank you for that. That will provide revenues to continue to provide public safety and services like police and fire to our community. So I am, and your council is very grateful for the efforts on the part of the voters to pass that. I wanted to update you on COVID-19 issues, not only nationally, but in our county. As you know, there has been a significant increase in cases. More recently, our county has moved back one tier to the highest tier in the state of California because the case rate has increased rather significantly across the county. Morro Bay, fortunately, continues to do extremely well with the second lowest case count in terms of percentage of population being positive in the county. And for that, I'm grateful for all the efforts that not only you as our citizens, but also our staff and our workforce have made to stop the spread of this nasty disease. A couple of things just to update you on. One, the governor has issued a new mask mandate. I wanted to give you very quickly the essentials of that. The new guidance is that Californians must wear face coverings when they are outside of the home unless the following conditions exist, and these are the exemptions. Persons in a car by themselves or with members of their own household, you're exempt from wearing a mask then. Persons who are working in an office or at home by themselves. Persons who are actively eating or drinking such that they're unable to obviously eat or drink if they're wearing a mask, but just during times when they can socially distance from others that they are not in the same family with. Pardon me one second. The other exemptions are out here today. Persons who are outdoors and maintaining at least 6 feet of social distancing from others, not in their household. They must wear a face mask at all times if they are not able to socially distance. That is, coming within 6 feet of one another. Persons who are obtaining a service involving the face or nose, like some kind of dermatological procedure or dental procedure where you can't wear a mask. Workers who are required to wear respiratory protection, and certain individuals who are exempted by the California Department of Public Health. The bottom line is, folks, there is a mask mandate that we must wear masks when we are outside, especially in situations where we're not able to socially distance. If you are outside and are socially distanced, you must carry a mask at all times with you to be able to place that mask on should you not be able to continue to distance. And we would appreciate all of your compliance with that mandate. For more information on what's happening in our county, you can go to readyslo.org. That's readyslo.org, and get more information on COVID-19. I can tell you from our public health director, Dr. Borenstein, that the primary cause for spread is gatherings of families where there are different members from outside of the household, where there are more than 3 individuals that come together in a contained place. No social distancing is maintained and no masks are being worn. We want to wish you a very safe and wonderful holiday, especially this coming Thanksgiving, but we implore you to continue to maintain the specific guidelines that have been laid down by the state that will protect us all from acquiring this nasty disease. The last thing I wanted to mention to you was this moving back to this Tier 1 because of the widespread nature of the disease in SLO County now will impact our businesses. Restaurants will have to close indoor services, as will places of worship have to stop indoor worship impact on our retail entities, our food distribution industry, etc. My concern is that we want to support our businesses as much as possible. The city has made an $80,000 grant loan program for businesses who are struggling through funds that came from the pending closure of Diablo Canyon nuclear plant. Those funds will be made available to assist our business community, but we'd like your help in making sure that you shop locally this year and support our businesses as much as possible. Thank you for your tremendous efforts. Be safe and be well this holiday season, and have a very, very pleasant Thanksgiving.